microphone.
15 feet. The angle of elevation of the sun. Did you do that in geometry? Angle of elevation?
Yes.
What does it mean then?
It's like how far it goes up and like.
How far it goes up? Good job. The angle of elevation of the sun is 38.6 degrees. How tall is the lamppost? Or the flagpole, excuse me.
Ooh, how do I do this?
Okay, we have to have a right triangle. So here's our flagpole. Yeah.
The 1, 2,
Right?
Mm-hmm.
We draw stars and stripes.
Well, if you want. If you want. My finger's too fat for that little bitty flag. I can't get any in there. Angle of elevation is going up. Right?
Yep.
Do you know that? Elevation means going up?
Yep.
And this is 38.6. The shadow's on the ground, isn't it?
Yep.
So this is 15 feet. I want to find out how tall is the flagpole. I want to find that value.
Yep.
When you look at this picture, I am using an angle. The flagpole better have a right angle to the ground.
Mm-hmm.
Let's hope not.
Yeah.
That's you'll learn how to do a bent one later. We're not learning.
What?
So I have the opposite and the adjacent, correct?
Yes.
Which trig function uses opposite and adjacent?
Tangents.
So the tangent of 38.6 equals y over 15.
Yep.
How would I solve for y?
You can figure out what tangent of 38.6
Well, could I multiply both sides by 15?
or that. Yeah.
So 15 tangent of 38.6 degrees equals y.
Yep.
So what is y?
15 times tangent of 38.6.
And I'll do that in my head for you.
11.9743.
What did you get?
11.9743.
Round to the nearest foot.
12 feet.
What?
12 feet tall.
12 feet?
Yep.
So my flagpole is 12 feet high?
Yep. What picture are we on in the book?
How about 490?
490.
We should do, let's see, do we need another one?
Yes.
Okay, a 30-foot boat ramp. Let's do a different one. Let's do a 40-foot boat ramp. Okay? A 40-foot. Is that a long one?
Yes.
I don't know.
I don't know.
Yeah, I don't know either.
I don't know.
I think so.
Makes a
It's like that.
Don't-
40
but
feet
don't-
is not very
8-degree angle with the water. angle with the water. Not sure who figured that out. How high is the ramp above the water? How high is the ramp above the water? Well, here's my boat ramp, isn't it? Isn't the boat ramp slanted? Even if we don't know if that's a long one or not, we know that that's what the ramp does. It goes down into the water, right? And it is 40 feet. And for those of you that are in science, you notice that we use a lot of American things in math, like feet and inches instead of...
Things we can actually use in life.
You can use this or science. It is. Yeah, you don't use... In most science, it's grams and meters and...
I live not here.
That's what I tell the science teachers. Do you all do sig figs yet?
Don't even get me started.
That is so unmath. That is so
And
unmath.
the worst part is that he sits there and tells us that it's similar to math. And I'm like, there was nothing
No,
math
no.
about
Who
this.
tells you that?
Mr. Newcomb.
Mr. Newcomb and I talk about it. He knows it. So why don't you teach him real math? That's what I tell him. All right. So this is 8 degrees. What do I want to find?
You want to find y.
Fine, that's all it is.
What?
You want to find y. So you
How?
use-
What trig function am I going to use?
You do sine.
Sine? What?
We have opposite and hypotenuse.
Opposite and hypotenuse? So the sine of 8 is equal to, so
Sine of 8 degrees.
40. Well, I had already written degrees once, so I don't count off in the middle of your problem if you don't put degree. 40 sine of 8 is what? So how far up is the ramp?
5.5 feet.
Yes?
5.6.
I sort of say I want it to the nearest tenth of a foot.
Okay, so 5.6.
5.6.
5.6.